Question 4. Which is a power of the Virginia governor? All right, so we're down here at the state level, executive branch. There's our governor. So does the governor decide if people have broken the laws? I don't know. Which of these three branches, generally, which of these three branches decides if someone has broken the law? Is that something that happens in a court? Is it left up to a president? Or does Congress do that? All right, next. Prepare the biennial budget for approval. Have we talked about preparing a budget? And if so, which of these branches most likely prepares a budget? Who prepares it and who approves it? Next up, appointing federal judges. We've talked in class and taken notes about the executive and how the executive appoints people, cabinet officers, judges. But in this case, it's saying federal judges. That's a key word. Federal judges are these people. So would a governor down here at the state level appoint people up to the federal government, a federal court? Last answer choice is decide when to use judicial review. Is that something the governor does, or is that something that members of the judicial branch would do? Again, it's all in your 9-box chart.